Hello, thank you for being here. It is a pleasure to help you on your journey with the English language. Do not worry, I speak slowly and everything is in the present simple. Please, while I talk, try to stay focused. If possible, try to create images in your mind. Later, do as I do, talk to yourself in English about today's topic. This will help a lot in your learning. I will start now. My topic today is friendship. Friendship is a vast field full of mysteries. I sit here, alone but not lonely, and I think about it. Friendship is an invisible bond that connects two souls. I do not see this bond, but I feel it. It is like the wind, silent but powerful. When I think about my friends, a smile appears without me noticing. Friends are not just people with whom I share good moments. They are the echo of my laughter and the comfort in my silence. They remind me who I am when I forget. They hold me when the world seems to fall apart. But then I wonder, are all friendships the same? Can every bond carry the same depth? Some friendships feel like the roots of a tree, grounding me and providing stability. Others are like the branches, reaching out, sometimes close, sometimes distant. And there are those that feel like the leaves, beautiful but fleeting, falling away with the seasons. Does this make any of them less valuable? I ask myself, what makes a true friendship? Is it trust? Yes. Is it respect? Also. But above all, it is presence. The presence that says, I am here with you, no matter what. Yet, I wonder, is presence always physical? Can a friend on the other side of the world be as close as someone sitting beside me? Sometimes, a simple message or a memory shared feels more powerful than physical closeness. I realize that friendships also have levels. There are those who share the surface, small talk, casual smiles, polite gestures. Then there are those who dive deeper, who see my fears, my hopes, my unspoken thoughts. Both have their place, but I ask myself, do I nurture them equally? Or do I take some for granted? Sometimes, I notice that friendships change. They grow apart, they transform. I wonder, is it the end? No. It is just the natural flow of life. Some friendships are like rivers, flowing in different directions but always keeping the waters that once met. And others, perhaps they dry up completely. Does that mean they were never real? Or does it mean they simply fulfilled their purpose? I think about how friendship does not demand perfection. Friends accept mistakes, understand silences, and celebrate victories. They do not ask me to be more or less than I am. This inspires me. This changes me. Yet, I question myself again. Do I give them the same acceptance? Do I hold them to unrealistic expectations, or do I see them for who they truly are? So, I look inside. I ask, am I a good friend? Do I listen? Do I care? Do I forgive? Do I give as much as I receive? Friendship is a mirror. It reflects what I am. I realize it is not about perfection but about intention and effort. Now, as I take a deep breath, a feeling of gratitude fills me. Friendship is a gift. It is not something I own, but something I live. And I live it every day, in the little things, a smile, a message, a shared silence. I learn that friendship is not about numbers, but about connection. A true friendship is worth more than 1,000 empty conversations. And that is why I remember, here and now, that friendship is not just a part of life. It is life. And I choose to live it fully, with all its questions, levels, and transformations. Thank you for listening to me today. I hope my words help you reflect and grow, not only in your English but also in understanding friendship. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop learning. Goodbye, and until next time.